Having a saltwater pool comes with a huge reduction in chemical expenses and maintenance, but how much should you expect to spend a year? Let's go over it real quick. So an average sized saltwater pool could require about $50 to $100 worth of chemicals a year, and typically none of that is from buying chlorine. Compare that to a traditional chlorine pool, which could require $300 to $800 worth of expenses a year. So you see, it's quite a big difference. The fact is, traditional chlorine pools, they need more chemical maintenance, right? Which means more money. The bulk of these expenses are your chlorine, your algaecide, and your shock. With a saltwater pool, however, it produces the chlorine for you through electrolysis. And the best part is the system only needs one thing to do this: natural salt. And salt is pretty cheap, as low as about $6 a bag. Now, besides salt, examples of other basic chemicals that any pool might need include your stabilizer, muriatic acid, and your soda ash. Fortunately, they're relatively inexpensive and low hassle. So you see, switching to a saltwater pool not only saves you money, but more importantly, it saves you time. Time messing with your pool, maintaining it, so you can spend more time enjoying it. I'm John with Discount Salt Pool. Thanks for watching.